Hey guys, the cost of living is becoming even higher with the rising inflation. I'm sure we've all seen some changes that affect our wallets, and electricity is definitely one of them. So here are some simple tips that you can use to stay cool during the hottest months here in Hawaii and reduce your electricity costs. Tip number 1 is use the winds. We have great trade winds in Hawaii. Keep your windows open on breezy days to let the wind through. But remember to use a screen door. Those pesky flies will bombard you. Tip number 2 is run ceiling fans to help the air circulate to create a wind chill effect. It's said that using your ceiling fans for over 8 hours a day can actually save you over $65 a month. Tip number 3. Make sure your AC system is running efficiently. If the filters are dirty or clogged, the AC will not work well. And also make sure that the thermostat is set above 75 degrees. Each degree above 75 will save you about 3% of energy. Tip number 4, use a medium colored curtain with white plastic linings to reduce the heat gains. It's said that it reduces the heat gains by 33% by using a medium colored curtain. And tip number 5, make sure there aren't any cracks in windows and doors areas which can lead to cool air escaping. Just by sealing gaps, you can save up to 20% in cooling costs. If you want to learn more simple tricks to try to keep cool this summer, go to this link and you can read about more ways to stay cool and save on your energy bills. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos I put out in the future. Thanks for watching.